The bank is not your friend. Your credit card is not a convenience. It is a sophisticated trap designed by the smartest mathematicians in the world to keep you in a state of permanent financial leakage. They want you to be normal. Normal people pay 24% interest. Normal people carry a balance. Normal people are the ones paying for the bank executive's private jet. But there's a small group of people, the masters, who have found a glitch in the system. They use the bank's own money to get free flights, free cash, and 0% loans, all while the bank loses money on every transaction. But listen closely. The last 60 seconds of this video is where I reveal the statement date trap. If you miss this one tiny timing detail, the glitch reverses, and the bank takes everything back with interest. My name is Billy. Today, we're robbing the bank legally. Subscribe or keep being the victim. The float physics. Imagine you go to a grocery store, buy $100 worth of food, and the cashier says, "You can pay me for this in 30 days, and I won't charge you a penny extra." You take that deal every time, right? That is the grace period. Most people use their credit card and think they are spending their money. They aren't. They are taking a 30-day interest-free loan from a multi-billion-dollar institution. Mastery's secret one. A master never spends their own cash first. They keep their cash in a high-yield account earning interest while using the bank's money for free for 30 days. This is called the float. If you have $5,000 in expenses a month and you keep that $5,000 in your own robot faucet earning 5% while the bank floats your bill, you just made money off the bank's money. The sign-up arbitrage. Banks are desperate for good debtors. They are so desperate, they will literally bribe you to open a card. They offer 60,000 points or $500 cash back. The normal person sees $500 and goes out to buy a new TV. They just fell into the trap. The master sees that $500 as seed capital. They use the bank's bribe to fund faucet for dividends. They are essentially making the bank pay for their retirement. The loophole, 0% intro APR. In 2026, you can still find cards that offer 0% interest for 18 months. If you have a big, necessary purchase, like a new laptop for your side hustle, you put on that card and keep your cash in the bank. You are essentially getting an interest-free business loan. Mastery's secret 2. Credit cards are like fire. They can cook your food or burn your house down. If you don't have the discipline to handle the heat, stay out of the kitchen. The statement date trap. Now, we've reached the part one warned you about, the statement date trap. Most people think their due date is the only day that matters. It isn't. The statement closing date is when the bank reports your balance to the credit bureaus. If you have a $5,000 limit and you spend $4,000, even if you pay it off in full on the due date, the bank reports that you are using 80% of your credit. Your score drops. You look risky. The mastery hack. You pay your bill 3 days before the statement closing date. When the bank goes to report your numbers, they see a $0 balance. Your credit score explodes upward. Why does this matter? Because a perfect credit score allows you to get lower interest rates on your mortgage, saving you $100,000 over 30 years. Mastery secret 3. The bank wants you to be a late payer, but they also want you to be a heavy user. Be neither. Be a ghost. The house loses. The credit card is the most powerful tool in your pocket. If you know how to flip the switch, use the float, harvest the bribes, beat the statement date, turn the bank into your interest-free employee. I'm Billy. This is Money Mastery Secrets. Don't be the customer. Be the master.